You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more helpful content. Exploring HSBC Personal Loans, a comprehensive review. Find links to HSBC Personal Loans in the description below. HSBC provides unsecured personal loans boasting competitive interest rates and adaptable repayment terms. This makes them a strong contender for those aiming to consolidate debt, fund significant purchases, or manage unforeseen expenses. Loan amounts offered span from $3,000 to $30,000, with repayment periods ranging from 24 to 60 months, offering a good balance between manageable payments and flexible scheduling. HSBC's fixed interest rates, beginning as low as 5.99% April for eligible borrowers, ensure predictable monthly expenses. The application is streamlined and entirely online, with a pre-qualification option allowing you to explore potential rates without impacting your credit score. HSBC strives for same-day decisions for the majority of applicants, and upon approval, funds are typically deposited within 1 to 2 business days. This rapid turnaround time is perfect for those requiring swift access to funds. A key benefit of HSBC personal loans is the absence of origination fees, application fees, or prepayment penalties. This makes them a budget-friendly choice compared to many other lenders. However, HSBC requires a minimum annual income of $50,000 for eligibility, meaning it's most suitable for borrowers with established financial stability and a good credit history. Having an existing banking relationship with HSBC, while not a requirement, can be advantageous. Existing customers may qualify for more favorable loan terms. One potential drawback is the relatively modest maximum loan amount of $30,000, which might not suffice for borrowers requiring more substantial financing. Furthermore, HSBC personal loans aren't offered in every state, so eligibility is dependent on your location. In conclusion, HSBC personal loans feature transparent terms, no hidden fees, and rapid funding, making them an excellent option for financially secure borrowers seeking competitive rates. If you meet the income and credit criteria, HSBC offers a dependable and straightforward borrowing experience. Click the links in the description for additional information.